How to fix screen going black while gaming. There might be various reasons why your screen might be going black while gaming. One of the reasons might be because of the heavy background apps that you are using while gaming. So first go to your task manager and make sure that the apps that you do not use while gaming are closed. For an example, Google Chrome uses a lot of memory while run. So if you're playing game and running Chrome in the background, I suggest you to shut down Chrome and in process for the apps that you do not need while gaming. The amount of CPU background apps are consuming might be the reason why your game might be struggling and you might be getting screen going black while gaming. And the next reason might be because of the system requirement. Make sure that your CPU or computer meets the minimum requirement to play the particular game if you do not have enough memory, and if your graphics card is outdated or low, you might be getting this problem of screen going black while gaming. Now the next reason might be because of the unupdated graphics card. So first go to device manager and make sure that the display adapters are updated. Firstly, search automatically for drivers, or you can do that manually. You can pick from the list of available drivers on computer and you manually update them or install them, and this might help to solve your issue. Now the next option is to update your SSD. You might be using the older version of storage drives, so I suggest you to update your storage drives to SSD. And also the next option is to reset your graphics. So in order to reset your graphics card, simply press Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B on your keyboard and your graphics card will restart again. Now the next method is to manage your power plan. Go to Windows and type power plan and you will see edit power plan option. Open up the edit power plan and make sure that your computer is set to high performance while playing game. And also under PCI Express, make sure that the values are set to off and click on apply and click on OK. And also you want to change the processor power management while plugged in and on battery and click on OK. So these are some of the fixes that you can apply if you're facing black screen while gaming. If you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.